King Frederick II in the 13th century carried out barbaric experiments to prove that if not spoken to, babies would spontaneously speak a language. He assumed that all babies were hardwired to speak German. He was indeed German himself. And he did this experiment by exposing babies to nursing care, and the nurses were forbidden to speak to the babies. Well, he was wrong, and he was wrong because all the babies died before they could start speaking spontaneously. But the reason they died was because, in addition to not speaking to these babies, the nurses were told never to touch the babies. And they died due to lack of touch, if you like. This was an ancient form of what we now term failure to thrive. And if you look in intensive care baby units nowadays, you will see that parents are encouraged to hold their babies even for short periods of time, with very substantial improvements in their health status. Harlow, who is an American psychologist, was able to show that rhesus monkeys, when they had a pretend mother who was covered in soft material versus a pretend mother that was made out of sharper wire, but whom had lots of food, that the monkeys preferred, in spite of the food, to spend time with the cosseting, comforting, loving feeling that soft touch gave to the animals. So the emotional component is equally important as the mechanical component in the dominance of touch in our story. Humans can survive if they're blind. Humans can survive if they have no hearing. Humans can survive if they have neither hearing or vision. But humans cannot survive if they do not have touch. So touch lies at the very centre of human life.